some Singapore like egg noodles.
Oh, yeah.
US is quite good in terms of labeling the
Some
labeling.
places. I think like bigger cities that are used to it are like more common. Yeah. But like in Singapore, there's just a few categories of dishes I have to avoid altogether. Like if I go eat nasi lemak, I cannot have the sambal, cannot have the anchovy, cannot just rice. But he just like eats pizza when he's like, so he's like,
Oh, it's okay now, right?
yeah, but
That's what happened to you.
sometimes he's like, I have a dairy issue. Like when there's something he doesn't like. Just avoiding it.
It's not going to see.
That's the same.
What's that? Sorry, I was missing. What was that?
He just randomly ate pizza.
Oh, yeah. And then, oh, you did?
No, my brother, because he used to have a dairy allergy, and then he just decided to eat things that he wanted to.
Yeah. I think the boys do that more because I have a best friend back in New Zealand, you know, Gita, right? Her son school, and then she realised from the teacher that he's no longer allergic, but he's still got the nut allergy, so same as him. No, he said, "You believe you can eat it, you can eat it." And he didn't read the fine print about his allergies, and he literally his eyes. So he ate the granola, right? And then he literally is, and they were like, because usually people laugh when you look funny, right? But this was so bad that they were kind of scared. No one laughed. They were like, and the time when she got allergy in Shanghai, where sour rice, it's very hot. Really, it was. Put this on here, so we don't spill it.
Imagine he says no. Sometimes.
You're gonna give one to her.
Well, PC one.
No.
Mukbang.
You want to try?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
This is one. So one.
Still love. Yeah, that's okay.
How's it?
不错，很好吃。
Is it too hot?
有点烫，
Then that's
要
hot.
吹一下，它才可以进去，要吹一下，
太烧吗？
要吹一下。
那可以吗？
Thank you。水果给你啊。
I don't know.
Southern teriyaki. Is it
Definitely.
It's got nerve, didn't it? She's always saying the same thing. Nerve. It's all intensity. Oh, intensity doesn't use it. How about that?
I also like.
4块吧。
OK。
Oh, so.
Really?
Oh, you got the same. Careful when you lift this up. You just move it. Are you drinking the soup or you're not?
If you want some like vegetables.
让你发现那个 sauce 那里。
Usually it's not. I might as well not try and learn for fun.
And have a different focus for your stuff.
But your language is still.
But they use Singlish. Okay, it is better than Singapore. Like it sounds better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Since I graduated in December, I only went for the first time last year, and I only went but
Otherwise.
yeah, it was quite nice. And it ended up being my first 1 year in Taiwan.
Yeah.
This year it was different.
A lot of my Singapore and Malaysian friends last year, all of them had at the same time.
It's like at the same time, or staggered specific spots for these days, but I just carried around my like, it was really fun to do.
Oh, no, it's the same.
I think like even if you don't travel journal or do other stuff, if you find and like ordering in the city, I was in Tokyo, so I could have used either. Most places I buy food